How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey in seconds with toothpaste. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So to get rid of a hickey in seconds with toothpaste does work. It has a nice soothing effect. And it's kind of like aloe vera gel on a sunburn. It just feels nice just because of the ingredients inside the toothpaste. But you're not going to get rid of a hickey in seconds with toothpaste. It's going to take much longer. So this is a question I got from a subscriber, and they want to know, how can you get rid of this hickey? So toothpaste will work. The time frame, I would say, by using hickey to get rid of it, using toothpaste to get rid of a hickey, I would say 3 to 4 days, maybe even longer. So some of you may be thinking, okay, 3-4 days, that's not too bad compared to like maybe a week or two if you just left it by itself. So it definitely will speed up the healing process a little bit, but the simplest way to get rid of a hickey, a very simple way of getting rid of a hickey, is just rubbing the area. Basically what you're doing is you're massaging the area. I recommend using a coin or a spoon. Either one of those will work really good. When I do it, I generally use a coin, but a lot of people, digital world nowadays, a lot of people don't really have coins laying around maybe. So get a spoon. Everyone should have a spoon in their kitchen. And what you're gonna do is wherever the hickey is, rub for 2 minutes straight. So put a timer on your phone, 2 minutes, rub. The amount of pressure you want to put moderate amount of pressure. Don't push too hard and don't push too light. You want an adequate amount of pressure. After 2 minutes, what will happen is the area around the hickey and the hickey itself is going to get really red, almost to the point where you're like, oh my God, this made it so much worse. What are you doing, Dylan? So after you've done that, you wait 5 to 10 minutes and the redness goes away. And then the hickey will also go away with it. The reason why it's becoming red is because you're rubbing it. You're rubbing the skin for a long period of time, and that's why it's becoming red. That's actually a good thing. If it wasn't getting red, that would actually kind of be like, hey, what's going on? Do this once, and for 90% of people, the hickey should be gone. If it doesn't work, what'll happen is it will be extremely faded. It will basically be gone, and you literally just do the exact same thing again, and then it will be gone. So I've done this before. I've had multiple hickeys, so I literally did this trick like 3-4 times, and it got rid of my multiple hickeys. It does work, so super simple. That's what I recommend too. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.